Good evening, YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new video on Geo's Not Something XOXOX. As you can tell, I'm not feeling the greatest, and I'm not really looking the greatest either, but I thought that I would do a poorly video, because I do them quite a lot on this channel when I'm feeling poorly. So I thought I would, talk about my illness. We could talk about what's going on, why I'm sick. I'd like to know why I'm sick, but yesterday my vision was very blurred, so I didn't go to sixth form yesterday. But I went today because I could see and I could walk properly, but my breathing is still pretty bad, to be honest, and my voice is really sore, but life goes on, I guess. You have to move on and carry on with the stuff that's on in your life. I also can't breathe through my nose, so I sound very nosy. That's the right word to use. Also, my eyeliner wasn't as bad. I was wearing eyeliner. I think I have something wrong with the glue I'm using, because it's just making my eyes really itchy, to be honest. Especially this eye is very, very itchy right now. My friend actually got the same thing. It's kind of like an infection in the eye, but there's not a lot you can do about it because it's more of like an allergic reaction. But I didn't think I would get it because I've used it so many times. But then again, so did she. Maybe we just used it too much. Or maybe we need a new glue. That would make sense, needing a new glue. Oh, I sound ill. That's how I know I'm ill, because I sound it. Ugh. Do you know what? Yeah, there's nothing more refreshing than taking off makeup after wearing it all day. I love taking off makeup. It's one of my favourite parts of the day. I stopped using wet wipes for a while, but I don't know, I like using wet wipes at the moment. I used to use mineral water, but then you have to pay for the mineral water, it's really expensive. And then you have to buy the cotton pads to go with it, so it ends up being like a really expensive way of taking off some makeup. We'll leave the eyebrows on for this video, so it looks like I've got some sort of brow there. They're actually alright today, I like them. This brow is snatched. Oh wow. Right, there we go. Makeup all off. Happy days. I think. I don't even know. I just look a hot mess. Sound like a hot mess as well. Somebody was like, you sound very husky. I was like, thanks. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but sure. Is having a husky voice a good thing? People are like, so you got a very husky voice. I'm like, thanks. I think for a girl, yeah, considering I have quite like a deep voice, which I used to hate when I was younger. I used to hate having a really deep voice. But then I realised that was just me, to be honest. Oh, my eye is throbbing. What is this? No. I can't even cope. Right. I can't have a bad eye, because I have too much going on in my life to even, for even to get bad. Because I wear eyeliner every day and false eyelashes every day, so no. It can stop. It can stop having its moment. It could just stop. Ugh. Do you know what, yeah? One of the worst parts is that I feel ill. I hate that. I just realised this is such a bad angle. I feel ill, and that's the part that I hate. Like, looking ill doesn't bother me, but feeling it is just, Here's a cute little story. I can't actually swallow medication, as in like tablets. So at the moment I'm taking junior paracetamol liquid form because I can't take medication in pill form at the moment. I'm learning, I'm getting there. Alright, how much can I have? Brilliant. 10 to 12 years. What's I don't even know how much I can have. Hello? 5 mil. So I can take 20 mil. So that's like 4 spoons. Brilliant. This isn't going to last me. Brilliant. Love that. Oh, I love that I'm still a child. I'm turning 18 and I can't even open the bloody medicament. Jesus. Are you mad? Oh, there we go. Ah, that hurt. Jeez. Hello? What are you? This is actually strawberry medicine, which I'm quite happy about because normally, because it's junior medicine, it tastes disgusting, but I'm actually excited about this. Let's check the consistency out. Oh, crap. Okay, so it's like that. I actually love the taste of this. It's like really, really... I could probably drink this. Like, I would drink this. It tastes like really good. It's kind of like a rip-off Cowbell. Asda Cowbell, love that. Asda? No. There we go. Can you OD on paracetamol? In this form, I mean. Always wondered. Not that I would. But. See, I can have 4 doses in 24 hours. And it has to be 4 hours between each dose. Oh well. I'll live. See, because of that, because I have to take so much, half the bottle is gone. It's just dead. I just need to grow up, don't I, and stop being like such a child. It's helped my voice already though. I can feel it, like, soothing. Love that. I'm just hoping it just frees my body from pain. Like, yesterday I couldn't walk, really, because I was in that much pain. So, this angle's brilliant for me. I'm so proud of it. Yeah, I'll probably end this video here. Thanks for watching though. Thanks for listening to my pain. Much appreciated. Right, so I shall see you in a couple of days' time probably, because I'm being quite consistent with uploads, aren't I? So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Goodbye.